Hello everyone, my name is William. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we make Chinese pork bun. This is delicious, easy to make. Okay, let's go. Okay, first we make filling. Then we put in the fridge 2 hours. 500 grams pork mince. Half teaspoon chicken stock powder. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, make beautiful color. 1.5 tablespoon sugar. If you like, you can put a brown sugar. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Little bit white pepper. Half teaspoon salt. Handful spring onion. Then you mix up. This is my simple recipe. If you want to add more, you can. After you mix, put in the fridge 2 hours. Okay, now we make the dough. I use bread maker. If you don't have, you can make by hand. 500 grams flour. 2 teaspoons sugar, white sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 egg. 1.5 teaspoons yeast. 300 ml warm milk. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Now you mix everything together. When everything is mixed, put in the bread maker on dough setting. This will take about 90 minutes. If you do by hand, need about 10 minutes. Let rest about 1 to 2 hours or until double size. Now dough's ready. First we use half. Put some flour in here so it doesn't stick. Cut it into little pieces, about 50 grams. Now we roll until thin. Leave middle little bit thick. Now we put a filling on the middle. Pinch all the way until close. Beautiful. Now put on the baking paper, put it in the steam tray. Leave some room after much bigger. So now we finish. Then put a steam machine. If you don't have, buy from Eddie. Very cheaper. We're gonna cook 15 minutes on high. Now we're ready. Be careful, it's very hot. Very nice. Oh, beautiful. Oh, very nice. Yummy. Very juicy. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.